Okay guys, this is the Bosch, what is it? Bosch Serie 2 dishwasher. We're just going to go on intensive with a vario speed plus, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And okay, I'll take over.
Go for it.
The initial drain begins. That's the same like our dishwasher at home. I'm sure you've seen it, haven't you?
They're all programmed the same, aren't they?
They are, aren't they? So yeah. There's no normal one, this one, is there?
No, it's just Eco 50 glasses.
You'd expect it to have a normal 65 really, wouldn't it?
Well, it's got the 70 and I can do it in an hour and a half. That does everything pretty well. So I'll give it the full 2 hours 15 if stuff's really dirty. But...
Pretty much, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would imagine when you moved in, the washing machine would have gone here, wouldn't it? Where
It
the
was
dishwasher...
originally, yeah.
And then you didn't, and then you wouldn't have room for a dishwasher,
Yeah.
would you?
That's right.
Sounds like a stair lift.
It sounds like weird.
Because should it start filling now?
It will start filling. Give it a minute.
There it goes.
There we go. Just take it.
Yeah, just a little first pulse, isn't it? Unlike all Bosch dishwashers. And I think your parents have the, is it Baco dishwasher, isn't it?
Yeah. Hang on, Hannah's trying to bring me a bit. Just phone her, see what's going on.
Hey?
Hannah's trying phoning, I better see what's going on.
Alright, see you in a sec.